right, gang, I want to give you a little bit of feedback today on something I just picked up that we'll be taking with us camping this fall. This is made by Bruntmore. Bruntmore makes a lot of cast iron items, and we have a lot of different pieces of theirs in our kitchen, and so we are extending this into our camping set now, and we picked this up and absolutely love it. What we have here is a cast iron pan with reversible griddle lid. What this makes for us is a quick and easy way for us over a campfire to make some really incredibly good meals. Whether you need a deep pan, this is about 2.5 inches deep, it's about 14 inches long, 11 wide, or if you need like a griddle style side or a grill style side, this makes quick work of everything. Even if you're layering your meals, you can actually throw the bottom part on the fire and use the top part like a grill to make chicken, to make hot dogs, to make whatever on top of it. And the griddle is reversible, so you got your smooth side, you got your raised side, whatever you might need, whether it's bacon or grilling a specific meat item, you can do that on this. One of the things I do love about this is it does come pre-seasoned, so I don't have to go through the long, arduous process of heating this up and treating it, heating it up, treating it, heating it up, treating it. It comes pre-seasoned, ready to go. And one of the things I absolutely adore about this set is it can be used on almost any kind of heating surface, whether it's a stovetop, whether you're sticking it in an oven, whether you're sticking it in a grill, or you're literally sticking it directly on the campfire like we're gonna do. That is what this is absolutely designed to do. Look, if you are looking for a good pre-seasoned cast iron set, this I think is the way to go. It is made by Bruntmore. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. It is made by Bruntmore. It's big, it's thick, it's heavy, it's pre-seasoned, it's cast iron. I don't think you can go wrong with this. Check it out.